We continue our tour of Lesotho. On this episode, we leave Katse Dam and head down towards Semonkong. From there, it's eastwards to Sehlabathebe National Park, where the rest of our trip still sees us going over Matebeng Passs towards Bob Phillips campsite, and onwards to Sani, where we'll be doing Sani Pass back into South Africa. In the convoy, we have 3 motorcycles and a sport vehicle: a BMW 1200 GS, 800 GS, Kawasaki Versys 650, and a Ford Ranger 4x4. We kick off towards Sehlabathebe. This is the first gravel road on our journey, and it twists and turns following the contours of the mountain. The road is generally in a good condition, but it is slow going as you go through a couple of villages. Sehlabathebe is the next fuel stop. From there you head up into the mountains, travelling on a very nice paved road. At Roma you take the turn off down towards Semonkong. This is also a paved road where you're greeted with stunning sandstone formations. Our last stop for the day is at Semonkong Lodge, where we will spend the night. We hit the road in convoy, leaving Katse Dam behind, clear skies and gravel roads that await.
Breathe in the love, open up your heart and hey, are you coming on down? Bring in the light, open up your arms and hey, are you coming along? Breathe in the love, open up your heart and hey, are you coming on down? Bring in the light, open up your arms. Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Step to the beat, dance to the drums. Hey, are you coming on down? Let loose your feet, soak up the summer. Hey, are you coming along? Turn up the night, breathe in the sound. Hey, hey, are you coming on down? Lift up the drink up the sun. Hey, hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along?
We had some minor issues, with the corrugation of the gravel road taking its toll. The BMW's headlight bolt shaking loose and coming off. Luckily we've got some spares and we'll be back on the road in no time.
Hey, you now pocket just bruised. Get up. You know there's an empty space, so fill me up. Hey, you now pocket just bruised. Get up. Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey.
We arrive at Sehlabathebe. We fill up with fuel and buy some provisions. It's onwards from here into the mountains towards Roma.
Join the celebration. Yes, yeah. It's a revelation. Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? Hey, are you coming along? Are you coming along?
We find a nice spot next to the road to have some lunch, with one of the greatest views you'll ever see. We arrive at Semonkong Lodge, where we're greeted with a beautiful setting, with campsites next to a river and chalets on the mountainside. It was a long day on the road from Katse. Distance-wise it wasn't much, but in Lesotho you can expect to travel twice as long as normal highway travelling. Okay, an update. We slept at Semonkong Lodge and had a bit of a rainstorm overnight and woke up with it raining as well. And today's the day we start tackling the hectic dirt road, so I think we're going to have a muddy one today, but it's going to be fun. We start the day off with a fuel stop in Semonkong. From there we head south toward Qacha's Neck. This is a newly paved road which hugs the Senki River and provides good progress. In Qacha's Neck we fill up with fuel yet again before heading back on the same road to the Sehlabathebe turnoff in Mpite. From there it's onwards on gravel, Heading through a couple of villages, the road meanders through the mountains, providing breathtaking views. We head past the Ramatse diesel border post, with the road hugging the South African border, before heading north towards Sehlabathebe National Park. Heading out of the lodge, we get a taste of what's waiting for us on the roads that day.
Tethered from the sand, we sail away. We sail along the shore, head up to the east and sail away. We sailed along the shore, get her from her hand, cross into my heart, weightless to the government. As long as you see, it's beyond the night. Silence in the rain, just surrounding me.
We've turned off towards Sehlabathebe. We decide to make a quick pit stop for some much needed coffee.
Just surrounding me. You were there since you know me. Every now and then I slip away, and I don't know to speak. Silence in the rain, just surrounding me. But you were there since you know me. Every now and then I slip away.
We made it to Sehlabathebe National Park, with great gravel roads and views around every corner. The park is truly a gem of Lesotho. The day was coming to an end, so we couldn't make it to the official campsite, so we ended up camping at the newly built lodge.
Why must it be so simple? I wish I'd be so true, not unsettled. So many.
On the next episode, tackling Matebeng Passs. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next episodes.